Good morning. This is Mr. Bing. It is Monday, February 1st, 2021, and this is my first recording for this particular class, Intro to Engineering Design, for the spring 2021 semester. This is literally the first day of school. We are at home, which of course we are at home every Monday, but we're home, but we're still having school. On top of that, it's snowing, like big snow. I already did some snow blowing. Took me like an hour. I'm probably going to have to go out for a second round. I bet there's going to be a third round. So it's snowing heavily. We're home anyway, but if we had been going to school, we'd be home. I predict we'll also be home tomorrow, which would have been the first time I would have had a chance to meet my new students and for you guys to meet me. But anyway, I wanted to make a series of videos to start out to give you some information about how the course is going to work. And a lot of times these videos go all kinds of scattered directions because I just have a mind that wanders and lose track a little bit, which I think is already happening. But anyway, um, when you come to class virtually, you always come to this page, which is your Schoology course page, Introduction to Engineering Design. Now, for me, I have multiple classes. You probably have multiple classes too. Intro to Engineering Design is my first block class. Since you are a first block class, you have to do your daily attendance. You probably did that all last fall and know everything about it. If you're not sure exactly how that works, ask me about it later. But if you're here today, it's Monday, February 1st. If you're here today, do the attendance quiz, and then I will know that you were actually present. And the district needs the official attendance to know that you were present, and that's how we do it. What I have is a start here folder and a week one folder. Technically, this is week one, February 1st through February 5th. And so every week as we go, I will keep adding week folders, week one. And in the start here folder, which is where you should go first, let me go back actually. I like to expand, they call it expand or collapse folders. And so in this start here folder, you have all the items that you would start with. The announcements, Project Lead the Way, IED course page, that's pretty much the textbook for this course. And the engineering notebook simulator, I'll explain what that is. How to cam scan, I have a how to cam scan document in here for you to learn, if you don't already know, how to take your paperwork and then turn it into a PDF that you submit to me. You never submit papers to me at all. Never paper, just PDF submissions, and I'll explain that later. Hall pass, if you have to go to the bathroom, go to the nurse or go to your locker, which nobody ever uses lockers, but if you had to do that, you would use what I call an e-sign out. I'll show you that later. There's a Zoom link, which I'm actually running a Zoom right now. I don't have any participants here, but I'm running a Zoom in order to do this recording. And Mr. Bing YouTube channel. Last fall, I did a whole bunch of videos that were just long, meandering, droning on and on videos. I mean, they were a little bit entertaining, and I'm kind of quirky and funny sometimes, but I'm working on that. My YouTube videos, I've been told, are not that interesting or valuable, but I'll try to do better. I have been told, however, that the announcements that I do are very good. The Project Lead the Way course page, that I don't make that comes from Project Lead the Way, but obviously people need to have that. And the engineering notebook simulator, which is something that I created, a lot of people complimented that. They hated Zoom and they hated the YouTube channel, but they really liked the engineering notebook simulator. And then citizenship is a grade that you get for being a good citizen and being a good teammate and being having good work ethic and all the things that make you a good student and pretty much a good engineer, you get in citizenship. And you start out with an 80 out of 100, which you might think, what? I got an 80 out of 100. How is that fair? Well, I'm the kind of teacher that I give you a lower score and let you build it up higher. And many people take that 80 and turn it into an 85 or a 90 or a 95. Some people make it to 100, even though that's rare. And if I expand this folder, you will see that there's already a couple of assignments there. There's 113, which is an assignment, and then there's 113 plus, which is more of that assignment. Sometimes I make a plus assignment where more is added. Now, I think I want to stop this video before I get into all these things and make a new video for each one of these things. I think these 20-minute videos are too much, so I'm going to try to keep it to like 5 minutes. Try and fail and try again. That's pretty much engineering. Get used to a lot of failure, get used to a lot of trying again, and get used to failing and trying and failing and trying and then succeeding. And when I mean fail, I mean failing at a project, failing at an activity, not failing as a grade. When we try to make something work and it doesn't, we go back and try to make it work again. And so anyway, don't be scared of the word failure. Failure is good in engineering because we just makes our work better and better. I'm going to stop the video now. I'm going to try to do that. And then I will see you in the next video.